Welcome, welcome. I'm trying to figure out how to get the link so I can share with the coaches and students. All right, so the links have been sent out. We will begin the award ceremony in 5 minutes or so. Just want to give people time to settle in. If you're already here, message your teammates, message your coach, the link. And yeah, we'll get started in a couple minutes. If you're just joining, hang tight. We'll get started in a couple minutes. I do want to go ahead and point out, though, I am well aware that this is kind of an outdated theme. This is the theme, by which I mean like the visual theme of the presentations from last year. I wanted to get this started and did not have the chance to update that theme, so my apologies there. But if you want a little bit of a throwback to last year, if you were around for last year, when the theme was the Cold War, well, there you go. All right, and just to do a little mic check, since I'm not actually sure anyone can hear me, if you could put the word, I think it's always turtles, in the chat when you hear me say this, so that way I'll know that the audio is fine. Awesome, okay. All right. So, yeah, thank you all for your responses for the confirmation. There is like a 20-second lag that comes with these streams, which is why it's taken me a while to respond to that. But thank you very much for all of your hard work throughout the season so far. And thank you, Sam. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And the way that we're going to do this, so in the past, it's been different every year. It just depends on, the number of decathletes we have and in which divisions. The awards that we will have this year are going to be for each event. We will be awarding the top 5 places for honors and the top 3 places for scholastics and varsities. So that's how we're going to do it. First, it's going to be 5th place honors, then 4th place honors, and then bronze for everyone, then silver for everyone, and then gold for everyone. And these are ribbons that you have earned today. So, gold, silver, bronze, not literally gold, silver, bronze. Well, I guess the medals are not literally made out of gold and silver or bronze. We would not be able to afford that. But it is a medal that will be differently colored it is a ribbon that is differently colored than that. Okay, anyway, let's get started. I know y'all are antsy to figure out who has earned what. So we're going to start off, we're going to go in order of the tests that we took them, or I guess not I, but y'all took them. So starting off with the math test. So starting with 5th place, we had a 2-way tie in honors. So from North Quincy, we had Dominique Dang, and from Holliston, we had Sanjana and Gidi. So our 5th place winners. In 4th place, from Acton Boxborough, Aiden Liu. For bronze, or I think green ribbons technically, we have a 3-way tie for varsity, 3rd place in math. From Wellesley, Olivia Zhang. From Silver Lake, Caroline McInnes. From Shepherd Hill, Kelly Bertiam. And Scholastic from Ashland, Shrikshar and Vijay Kumar. And in honors from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. Now on to silver. And varsity from Franklin, Christine Fruin. And Scholastic from Franklin, Dashadu Papanani. And in honors from Wellesley, Tanuj Barman. Now on to our top math decathletes of the day. We had a 2-way tie for top math and varsity from Springfield International, Amara Audet, and from Ashland, Cecilia Laba. And Scholastic from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan, and in honors from Acton Boxborough, Isha Agarwal. So those are our math winners. Congratulations. Now on to the second test of the day, music. Music is always the one that it seems like people struggle the most with. Let's take a look at who managed to eke out a good placing in music. So in 5th place in honors from Acton Boxborough, Raga Puglia. And 4th place, 3-way tie for honors from Wellesley, Lauren. All right, can people hear me now? Okay, I think we're back. um, Fantastic. Okay, awesome. Yes, everyone gets the same questions. Just to answer that question in chat. All right, cool. Well, apologies about that. Sometimes my computer just decides it's done with the internet, which I totally understand where it's coming from, but that was not a good time. So, all right, we just finished up music 3rd place, and by just I mean like 5 minutes ago. So let's move on to 2nd place in music. Sorry if you've been hanging on to your seat for the last couple of minutes, seeing. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to 2nd place. So, in varsity from Franklin, Charles Halter. Scholastic from Franklin, Deshadiu Papanini. And in the honors division from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. And now to our gold music winners. In varsity from Shepherd Hill, Kylie Bertiam. And Scholastic from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan. And in honors from Franklin, Angus Willis. So there at last are our music winners. All right. So, next up, economics. So starting off with 5th place again in the honors division, we've got a 3-way tie from Wellesley, Paul Audi, from North Quincy, Michelle Chen, and from Acton Boxborough, Emily Shu. Up in 4th, we have a 2-way tie from Wilmington, Nikos Koss, and from Ashland, Suraj Padmanabhan. Up to bronze in the varsity division from Ashland, Cecilia Laba, and Scholastic from Springfield International, Michael Scoville, and in the honors division from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. 2nd place in economics. In varsity from Shepherd Hill, Kylie Berteam. Scholastic from Ashland, Sricharan Vijay Kumar. And in the honors division from Acton Boxborough, Aiden Liu. And now for our top in economics, we've got a 2-way tie for 1st place economics in varsity from Silver Lake, Caroline McGimmis. And in Franklin, Christine Fruin. And the Scholastic division from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan. And a 2-way tie in honors from Wellesley, Jacob Landau. And from Acton Boxborough, Isha Agarwal. So congratulations to our economics winners. Now it is up for the science test. We're just about midway through, y'all. So starting off with 5th place, of course, we have a 2-way tie in the honors division from Westwood, Brandon Hahn, and from Acton Boxborough, Emily Shu. Up in 4th, we have a 4-way tie, 2 from North Quincy, Nicholas N. Barsalo and Dominique Dang, and 2 from Acton Boxborough, Ragapulia and Isha Agarwal. In bronze, 3rd place, varsity from Shepherd Hill, Nathaniel Shute, and in Scholastic from Wellesley, Caden Shia. 2-way tie for 3rd place in honors from North Reading, Krista Costa, and from Ashland, Suraj Padmanabhan. In 2nd place, from North Quincy, Songun Yu. In Scholastic from Franklin, Deshadiu Papanini, and in honors from Acton Boxborough, Aiden Liu. Now for our top scientists, in varsity from Ashland, Emma Woodham. Scholastic from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan. And a 2-way tie in honors from Franklin, Angus Willis, and from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. So congrats to all of our science winners. Now up to literature. So starting off in 5th place, we have a two-way tie in honors from Wilmington, Leanne Jurgens, and from Wellesley, Lauren Kim. In 4th place in honors from Wilmington, Kyra Turner, and from Acton Boxborough, Isha Agarwal. 3rd place in literature, in the varsity division from Franklin, Christine Fruin, and Scholastic from Ashland, Shrikcharan Vijay Kumar, and in honors from Ashland, Olivia Workema. 2nd place in literature, in varsity from Silver Lake, Caroline McGinnis, Scholastic from Franklin, Dashadia Papanani, and in honors from Franklin, Angus Willis. Now on to our gold 1st place blue ribbon winners in literature. In the varsity division from Ashland, Cecilia Laba, Scholastic from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan, and in honors from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. So congrats to all of our literature winners. We've got 2 tests left. We're going to start with art, the penultimate test we took today. In 5th place, we've got a 3-way tie in honors from Westwood, Brandon Hahn, from North Quincy, Sophie Noreen, and from Ashland, Olivia Workema. 4th place, 2-way tie, both from Wellesley, Lauren Kim and Jacob Landau. On to 3rd place in art, green ribbons, I think. Maybe I'm making that up. I don't know. Let's see. And varsity from Ashland, Cecilia Laba. Scholastic from Wellesley, Caden Shia. And a 2-way tie in honors from Franklin, Angus Willis, and from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. And the silver. And varsity from Franklin, Christine Fruin. Scholastic from North Quincy, Jessica Chen. And in honors from Acton Boxborough, Isha Agarwal. Our 1st place in art, and varsity from Ashland, Emma Woodham, and Scholastic from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan, and in honors from Wilmington, Leanne Jurgens. So congratulations to our top artists, and it is on to social science. The final test of the day. This is super quiz, of course. So, starting with 5th place honors, 2-way tie, both from Wellesley, Adam Juma and Paul Audi. In 4th place, from Ashland, Olivia Workema. On to 3rd place, we've got a 4-way tie from varsity and social science from Silver Lake, Caroline McGinnis, from Shepherd Hill, Nathaniel Shute, from North Quincy, Songun Yu, and from Ashland, Cecilia Lava. Scholastic from Franklin, Dashadia Papanani, and our 3rd place honors from Wellesley, Jacob Landau. Onwards to our 2nd place social science winners, 2-way tie in varsity from Milford, Sasha Matovu, and from Franklin, Christine Fruin. And Scholastic from Ashland, Shrikcharan Vijay Kumar. And in honors from Ashland, Suraj Padmanabhan. And our final gold medal event winners of the day. In the varsity division, from Ashland, Emma Woodham, and Scholastic from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan. And in honors from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. So congrats, and that ties up the individual event awards. But of course, we've still got the individual overall awards, and then the team scores. So for individual overall, we're recognizing the top 3, just as with the individual event medals, we're recognizing the top 3 varsity, top 3 scholastic, and top 5 honors. So if Sam were connected to audio, I could have him do a little drum roll. We should do that next time. Well, I mean, I don't know if we'll do a live stream next time. We'll see. Anyway, so in varsity, our 3rd place varsity from Silver Lake, Caroline McInnes. Our silver overall varsity from Franklin, Christine Fruin. And our top overall varsity of the day from Ashland, Cecilia Laba. Congratulations to these top 3 varsities. who had the highest total score out of all 7 events? I have no idea what that sound was, but moving on to Scholastic. In 3rd place, from Franklin, Deshadi Papanani. 2nd place, from Ashland, Shiksharan Vijay Kumar. And our top overall Scholastic of the day, from Acton Boxborough, Stanley Yuan. Congratulations to our top overall Scholastics. Now it is time for the honors. Our 5th place, from Acton Boxborough, Aiden Liu. In 4th place, from Wellesley, Jacob Landau. Our 3rd place overall honors, from Franklin, Angus Willis. 2nd place, from Acton Boxborough, Isha Agarwal. And our top overall score for the competition today, and our top honors overall individual, from Acton Boxborough, Benjamin Langman. So congratulations to all of our top overall individuals. And now it is time to move on to the top teams. And yeah, there's all this like radioactive imagery. I know that's not really necessarily as relevant this year with water. Still a little bit relevant, but not super relevant. So we'll switch that up for next time. So we're going to recognize the top 3 teams today. Starting with our bronze overall team. And our 3rd place overall team of the day, Acton Boxborough Regional High School, 15,454.4 points. Congrats to AB. On to 2nd place, our silver overall school, which was Franklin High School, with 17,354.3 points. Just imagine yourselves, top teams, going to, the front of the room, getting lots of pictures taken. Close your eyes, picture that. And then our top overall team of the day, the team that leaves us leading into regionals, and which will in fact be hosting one of our regionals competitions, Ashland High School with 19,339.9 points. Congratulations to all of our teams and all of our decathletes who participated today. Thank you so much for getting this year off to a good start. Stay tuned for exactly what regionals will look like. We'll be reaching out coaches and getting some thoughts about how we want to do this. If we want to do it virtually again, not virtually, hybrid again, what people are comfortable with, etc. We'll be communicating about that. And everyone, I look forward to seeing you at the regionals competitions. And I hope the next couple months go great and that your years are off to great starts. And that's about it for today. Adios.